try to climb. He's studying it. He's gonna try to get on, like, hold on to the... I know what he's gonna do.
Then the birdfeeder.
He's gonna hold on to that and then go to the next one.
We'll see.
Or he might move it.
What is he doing?
He's having some troubles.
On the wire. He's whacking it with his tail.
Yeah, well, he's trying to get over because he. And back he goes.
Too bad for him.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what he does. See if he tries again.
He's gonna
Okay.
try to jump. But
Yeah.
he can't do that.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
I want to see
Take
if
this
any
moment
others
to
can-
try to
He's thinking.
turn off the display.
I've got an idea for him. How about you step on one of the bottles? But they'll spin.
Okay, where did he
I
go?
like to see a squirrel like
Looks like
spinning
he's still
on a
there.
bottle.
Okay, so I'll stop for